Before instructional digital products became widely accessible, practical maintenance skills were often learned through direct experience or apprenticeship. Tasks such as repairing mechanical components or restoring used materials were commonly passed down through local knowledge networks. In recent decades, many of these practices have become less visible in everyday life. Consumer habits have shifted toward replacement rather than restoration. This is particularly noticeable in the use of batteries, which power a wide range of devices across domestic, industrial, and mobile contexts. As battery usage increases, so does the frequency of disposal. In many cases, when a battery no longer performs as expected, it is replaced rather than examined or restored. This creates a recurring cycle of acquisition and disposal, often without direct user intervention in the underlying process. Easy Battery Reconditioning is a digital instructional program designed to document procedures related to battery restoration. It consists of downloadable guides that present step-by-step methods for working with different types of batteries. The material is structured as a collection of procedural documents. Each section focuses on a specific battery category and outlines a sequence of actions associated with that type. The guides include visual elements such as images and diagrams intended to illustrate each stage of the process. In addition to the core guides, the program includes supplementary documents. One focuses on the collection and resale of used batteries, while another outlines general maintenance practices intended to extend battery lifespan. The entire program is delivered digitally and can be accessed across multiple devices. Files can also be printed for offline use. The use of the program follows a repetitive and task-oriented structure. A user begins by identifying the type of battery they intend to work with. Based on this selection, they navigate to the corresponding section of the guide. Each guide presents a sequence of steps. These steps are designed to be followed in order, with each action building on the previous one. The user reads the instructions and applies them manually using physical tools or materials available in their environment. Visual references are used alongside written instructions to provide additional clarity. The user compares their current state with the illustrated examples and adjusts their actions accordingly. The process is not automated. It requires direct handling of the battery and adherence to the documented sequence. Once a battery has been processed, the same structure can be applied to other batteries of similar or different types. The supplementary materials introduce additional workflows. The business guide outlines a sequence involving acquisition, restoration, and resale. The maintenance material focuses on ongoing handling practices. This type of product aligns with individuals who are interested in procedural learning and manual tasks. It is structured for users who are willing to follow written instructions and engage in hands-on activity. It does not require formal technical training, but it assumes a willingness to interact directly with physical components. The format may also appeal to users who prefer self-paced learning environments, as there is no fixed schedule or live instruction. Because the material is organized into discrete sections, it can be used intermittently rather than continuously. Users can return to specific parts of the content as needed. Compared to other formats, this product sits within the category of static instructional documentation. It differs from video-based courses or interactive platforms by relying primarily on written guides and visual references. Unlike tool-based solutions or automated systems, it does not perform any function independently. All outcomes depend on user execution. It also differs from traditional technical manuals by being packaged as a consumer-facing digital product with bundled supplementary materials. In the broader context, it represents a structured attempt to document and distribute a set of manual procedures that would otherwise be learned through informal or experiential means. For those interested in examining the full set of instructional materials, a reference link is provided in the video description.